Alright y'all, so today's actually a big day. We're about to go to the dealership and pick up a new bike. Today we're actually going to be picking up a new bike, and you guys have probably already seen it from the title and everything. It's a KLX300, a 2021. I do believe that this is the first year that they came out with the KLX300. I originally was looking for a KLX250, and I really like those camo gray plastics that they put on those. I thought those looked really good. It was kind of between that and the CRF 250. But anyways, I called up my local dealership. And they have one in, so I worked something out, and I can't really believe it, but we're gonna be going to pick up a brand new bike here, so stay tuned. Whew. All right, y'all. Well, I'm filming on the new Power to Wise bike. Hopefully it sounds good. Hopefully it's working. I just got the bike. Got a 300, sorry, right here. Just trying to latch my helmet here. All right, I think we're ready to pull out of here. Let's see here. Woo! First pull away on the new KLX300. I don't have any goggles or anything, and it's shitty weather. Jeez. Whew. We're gonna make it home though, dude. Wow, I'm at a loss for words right now. This is sick. Whew. Of course, it's the nastiest day, but we're gonna get her home. Got the turn signals here. This is my first time on like a real street legal bike. My dad had like a Honda Gullwing that I rode once or twice before he got rid of that. But man, here we go. Holy crap, it's raining. Woo-wee! Man, I'll tell you one thing, the bike is comfortable. Now that I'm getting going, that rain's getting in my eyes a little bit more than I thought it was, so I might have to take off the GoPro, and because I have the media mod on it right now, and it's not waterproof. So we'll see here though. Maybe I'll just brave it home. This light though, oh my gosh. So there is a break-in period now that I'm not getting my face pelted off by rain with no goggles. There is a break-in period on this thing of, they said 400 to 600 miles. So I'll take it easy. But super smooth just right off the bat. Power's decent. But let's go ahead and get home. I'm getting soaked. Alright you guys, now we're actually back from the dealership and I got changed out of all my clothes. I got soaked on the way back, but man, is this a good looking bike. It was the only one they got in. Overall though, buying it from a dealership, this is the first bike I have bought new, and I had a pretty good experience with buying it really. Obviously you're going to pay a little bit more than you want to with some dealership fees and everything, but I thought it was really nice how they plated it all up and did everything I kind of needed done, and I was ready to go on the road. And another cool thing is this is the first actual 300, or not the first 300, but first year they made 300s. I'm gonna give it till we get a little bit of better weather. Right now it's pretty flooded right now. Overall, be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more video using this. I'll still be riding on my YZ250F for sure. That's a whole different bike, so be sure to subscribe for more of that. Let me know how you thought of the mic setup in the GoPro as well. Yeah, be sure to subscribe for the next one.